Understanding Infant Car Seat, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, infant car seat. This is a common term, especially for parents and caregivers, and understanding it is essential. So, let's dive in and learn together. An infant car seat is a special seat designed for babies, particularly newborns, to travel safely in vehicles. Unlike regular car seats, these are specifically tailored to protect infants' fragile bodies in case of a car accident. Safety is the key word here. Here, we'll delve into the unique characteristics of infant car seats. They are typically rear-facing. This means the seat faces the back of the car, which is proven to be the safest position for babies. Portable. Many models come with handles, allowing them to be easily carried outside the car. Adjustable. They often have adjustable harnesses and headrests to accommodate growing infants. In this section, we emphasize the crucial role of infant car seats in ensuring a baby's safety during travel. They are not just a convenience, they are a legal requirement in many places. Using these seats correctly can significantly reduce the risk of injury in accidents. Here, we'll provide tips on correctly installing an infant car seat and ensuring it's used safely. This includes checking the seat's angle, ensuring the harness fits snugly, and never placing a rear-facing seat in front of an active airbag. Choosing the right seat is crucial. We'll discuss factors like the baby's weight, the car seat's size, and compatibility with your vehicle. Remember, not all car seats fit in all cars, and safety ratings are also important to consider. We hope this video has helped clarify what an infant car seat is and why it's so important for your baby's safety. Remember, choosing the right seat and installing it correctly can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and stay safe on the road.